Diabetes. It's a word that strikes fear into the hearts of many, and for good reason. This chronic condition, which affects millions worldwide, is often called a silent epidemic. Why silent? Because its early symptoms can be so subtle, so easy to dismiss, that many people are living with diabetes without even knowing it. But make no mistake, diabetes is a serious condition. Left unchecked, it can lead to a cascade of health problems, affecting everything from your heart and kidneys to your vision and nerves. The good news is that with early diagnosis, lifestyle changes, and proper medical care, diabetes can be managed and its complications prevented. This essay aims to shed light on this often misunderstood condition. We'll delve into the different types of diabetes, explore its common symptoms, and discuss how it can impact daily life. Most importantly, we'll equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to take control of your health and live a full and vibrant life, with or without diabetes. To understand diabetes, we first need to understand how our bodies use glucose, a type of sugar that's our primary source of energy. When we eat, our digestive system breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, which then enters our bloodstream. This is where insulin comes in. Insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas, acts like a key, unlocking the doors of our cells so glucose can enter and be used for energy. In diabetes, this process goes awry. There are three main types of diabetes: type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, the body's immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. This means the body can't produce insulin, and people with type 1 diabetes require daily insulin injections to survive. Type 2 diabetes is the most common form. In this type, the body becomes resistant to insulin, meaning the cells don't respond to it properly, or the pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin. This leads to a buildup of glucose in the blood. Finally, gestational diabetes develops during pregnancy. It's caused by hormonal changes that affect the body's ability to use insulin effectively. While it usually disappears after delivery, women who develop gestational diabetes are at an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. Because diabetes often develops gradually, its symptoms can be subtle and easy to miss, especially in the early stages. That's why it's crucial to be aware of the warning signs and seek medical attention if you experience any of them. One of the most common symptoms of diabetes is frequent urination, especially at night. This is because the body is trying to get rid of the excess glucose in the blood through urine. Increased thirst is another red flag, as is unexplained weight loss. When the body can't use glucose for energy efficiently, it starts breaking down muscle and fat for fuel, leading to weight loss. Other symptoms include increased hunger even after eating, slow-healing sores or cuts, blurred vision, numbness or tingling in the hands or feet, and frequent yeast infections. It's important to remember that these symptoms can also be caused by other conditions, so it's essential to see your doctor for a proper diagnosis. Receiving a diabetes diagnosis can be overwhelming, but it's important to remember that you're not alone. Millions of people around the world are living full and active lives with diabetes. While it does require ongoing management, the key is to approach it as a part of your life, not your entire life. One of the biggest adjustments people with diabetes need to make is to their diet. This doesn't mean deprivation. Instead, it's about making healthier choices. Focus on consuming plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein, while limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Regular physical activity is another cornerstone of diabetes management. Exercise helps your body use insulin more effectively and can help with weight control.